What's going on, guys? So today I have a iRobot Roomba. I believe this is $6.95, $6.90. Customer complains it makes a heck of a squealing sound when it's running. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I wonder why. So let's begin the nasty process of cleaning this thing up. Let me grab a trash can, guys. Let's not do this to our robots. It's Phillips head. Take that screw out. Take this brush off. Clean it. I'm glad this is a family member, or I wouldn't be doing this. Well, I'd be doing it, but I'd have a respirator and gloves and all kinds of other stuff on. Now, you can technically leave that screw out. It will stay on pretty good, but I have had them come off on these Roombas, so I always replace the screw. A lot of people lose the screw. They're really easy to lose. Now, I do not sell replacement parts for Roombas. Alright. Dustbin full of dog hair. Lovely. I just empty this out really quick. What's this lap so hard? Interesting. Okay. Oh yeah, let's see what we got here. Oh man. Pump that roller off. Wow. Look at this. I mean, that's terrible. It made its own end caps. It's so full of hair. Guys, don't do this to your robots. Go ahead and cut all that hair off, remove all that stuff. At this point, you might as well just buy new brushes, new filters, because it's not that hard to replace them. They're not that expensive, but this is why I'm making a YouTube video, to show y'all how easy it is. I'm just over here in a trash can, guys. I did take the cap off. It just pops on and off. Cutting all the hair off. All the dirt, nastiness, dog debris, whatever the hell it is. Cat debris. Oh, man. Go ahead and throw your little WD-40 on your bearing right here. Just throw a little bit on that cap. That way it spins free. Go ahead and WD-40 the rubber. Keep it nice and new looking. Also help with this hair clumpage sometimes. Wow. It's pretty bad. Now at first when I heard I got a squeaking issue, I was thinking, that wheel going out maybe. Then I ran it, which I don't have the charger. That's why I'm not going to show you all it running, because I don't have the right Roomba charger for this, unfortunately. The one I do have for this doesn't work. I've got 3 Roombas, and I don't use any of them. Not that I don't like them, it's just I've had really bad luck with chargers lately with them. Only Roomba chargers. Holy cow, look at this. Look at that. That is unbelievable. How? What was this? Did you take it to the barber? I mean, honestly, look at this. How in the world? This is terrible. Look at that. Wow. That's beyond me. I'm going to pull most of this off. At this point, you might as well just buy a new one. It'd be easier than cleaning it. But for demonstration purposes of this video, you know, I gotta show you all the process of cutting all this hair off and what not to do. That's insane. This will cause your brushes and motors to fail prematurely. Because all it does is clump up and burn the motors up. So let's hope we don't have a burned up motor after this, or else I'll be making a video on that. Remember, a little WD-40, just squirt a little bit in there. You gotta have a whole lot, just enough to lube it. Alright, let's go ahead and reinstall this. Backlash on the backlash on the gear sounds terrible. Let me compare it to another one I've got. Oh yeah, more than likely that gear set is stripped. Oh, what a bummer! What a bummer! What a bummer! So it looks like I'm gonna be doing a repair video for y'all on that. If I can't look at it or it's like that. Don't recommend doing what I just did. At least not in the manner I just did it in. Oh, lovely. Oh, yeah. Y'all see what I'm saying? That's nice right there. Huh. It's actually not as bad as I thought. The motors are meant to be able to move in case they do get stuck and so they don't burn up. Always getting these back in. This is really loud of a backlash. Maybe it's this particular model. I'm not a Roomba guru like I am the Shark Ion and IQ robots, but that seems really loud to me. Alright. Make sure we put this back on. I'll blow it out with the air compressor. And then, yeah. If I have more videos on this one, you know why. Might just go ahead and give them another robot I've got ready. And use this one as a what not to do robot. So let me go blow this out with the air compressor and then see if it's got enough battery to test. Alright, we're back. And blowing it out, I did realize what's going on here? Oh, it's on. I don't have a lot of battery. Okay. That's a lot better. That's way better. That thing was really bad before. I mean, really, really bad. So, I can handle that. They'll be able to handle that. Alright. So, something as simple as just blowing it out, cleaning all the hair off will make your life a million times better. Let me tell you. So, while we're here, we're going to pop out the wheel really quick. That's all you do. Yank the hair off of it. Look in the hole. Oh, man, look at this. Look at all that hair. Look at it. Jeez. Now, let me go blow this out. It's good to go. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below, and I'll try to make a video on how to fix it.